A common question with Graco Slim Snacker Highchair is on Graco Slim Snacker Highchair cover removal, as well as how to clean Graco Slim Snacker Highchair. I don't understand how to take the cover off the Graco Slim Snacker Highchair should be this tricky. Anyway, I go through removing, washing and putting back the Graco Slim Snacker Highchair cover step by step. There are these 7 steps on how do you remove a Graco Slim Snacker Highchair cover. I start with the folding handle. We need to release this from the black buckle. There is a gap in the black buckle. First, pull the handle off the shorter side and then take it off. Turn the chair. The second step is to release the 2 plastic tabs. Step 3 is to release the elastic band on the bottom side. As you see, the front side of the seat pad is released now. Go to the rear side and release these 2 cloth webbings marked as 4. This video is not sponsored and I also spend lots of time making and editing this video. If you're getting value out of this video, please support us by hitting the like button or even better by leaving a short or one-word comment below. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm and also very encouraging for us. Thank you so much for watching and let's continue with the video. Turn the chair. Step 5 is to release the cloth webbing underneath the Graco logo. Release the bungee cord marked as 6. Repeat step 5 and 6 for the other side as well. Lastly, take out the harness straps like this. This is it for Graco Slim Snacker's remove seat cover. I know this is crazy. So how to wash Graco Highchair cover? After going through all these painful steps, you can machine wash the Graco Slim Snacker's Highchair cover in cold water and delicate cycle and drip dry. You can also disconnect the harness straps of Graco Slim Snacker Highchair for cleaning. They are connected with cloth webbings. You have to take it out of the slots on the chair. The bottom straps are harder to remove. You can use a plier to take it out if it gives you too much headache. There's a little thicker side and a little thinner side. Make sure to start with the thinner side like this. Now let's attach the harness straps back like this. Now I cover how do you put the cover back on a Graco Highchair. There are these 7 steps to put back Graco Slim Snacker Highchair cover. First, attach the harness straps. Make sure not to put the seat cover on the back seat yet. The second step is to connect the cloth webbings on the rear side. Step 3 is to connect the elastic bands. Grab a pen or a screwdriver for this step. In step 4, we attach the plastic tabs like this. Now put the seat cover on the back seat. In this step, we connect the bungee cord on the back side. Take the cord around the rounded area on the back and bring it over. Hook the bungee cord. Step 6 is to connect the cloth webbing underneath the Graco logo. Repeat step 5 and 6 for the other side as well. The last step is to connect the folding handle. Take it through the opening on the seat cover. You connect the handle to the black buckle. There is a gap in the black buckle. First, go onto the longer side, then force it on the gap. Make sure that it is good. By the way, check out these related videos on Graco Slim Snacker Highchairs. If you like the video, please like the video. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm and also very encouraging for me. Thank you so much and see you next time.